and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you some fashion pieces from no other than Bloomchic. So if you are interested in any of these pieces or just to shop around, they do offer sizes 10 through 30, and I will leave the link down below to each of these pieces that I'm going to be showing you today. Also, a discount code so you can get 15% off when you use my discount code. So here we go. First off is this kimono and these jeans. Let's talk about the kimono first. I have been on the hunt for a leopard print kimono, and Bloomchic hit the spot with this one. I did get it oversized because I do like my clothes a little, I like some of my pieces, shall I say, oversized, and a kimono is one of them. And this is one of the only kimonos that I've owned, and it's really good quality. It's not thin, it's not too thick, but it does have a little bit of thickness to it, so it's really good quality. And look at the length, look at the way it looks from the side. And the back, it does cover everything if you like it that way. And I do like the nice sleek opening. And look at these little bitty dangles. I don't even know what to call these, so I'm calling them dangles. But they are adorable. Love the length. Now, you can style this any way you want. You can tie it up, you can tuck it in. So also, these jeans here, I love these jeans. They are so comfortable. They do have 2 buttons and a zip up. These are really good quality denim. They do have the holes with patchwork here. It looks like paint splatter. They are really nice. Here is what they look like from this side and from the back. Now, I did get a size 16, so these fit me really well. They are boot cut as well. So I'm 5'3" for reference. What they look like up close. Really nice quality. They do have pockets front and back. Now, I would style this exactly how I'm wearing it right now. I will use my little leopard print booties that I have here. Just has a little leopard print backing on it. I would wear some gold jewelry, and I would wear these leopard print earrings with a pop of color just to bring this look together. This next piece is this cute cardigan. I am absolutely in love with Bloomchic cardigans. I do have quite a few, well, not quite a few. I do have a few Bloomchic cardigans, and they're perfect quality. They're not super thick to where you're gonna be overheated, but they're not thin. So you can wear this in the winter time as just something light that it's gonna keep you warm but not hot. Now, this particular one here, I absolutely love the detail on it, and it does have pockets which makes me excited, and I know it makes a lot of you guys excited as well. I do like that it's like an open concept, no buttons. The length is perfect on this, and the color is just perfect. Let's take a closer look at this print. Look at this. You got several different prints going on here. You got your leopard or cheetah print, I don't know the difference, and you got these kind of prints here. The sleeves are a nice length. Now, I would style this to the last outfit that I showed you. I would just wear my little booties here, my little leopard or cheetah print booties, don't know. And I would wear pants like this, or even solid jeans that don't have any holes in it. Either way, it's gonna look great. And I would put some gold jewelry on. You know I love gold jewelry. And I would style it with just like a little pop of color, or even just some plain gold earrings. Okay, so this little top here is perfect for the fall. It is actually perfect to go on into winter because it does have these red and like plummy shades on, with details on the shirt, and the green just makes it the perfect fall color. I do love the length of this. It is perfect. The fit is nice. I love how it cinches in here, so it gives you a nice little cute defined small of the waist. Here is what it looks like from the back. I love how solid it is. Again, I love how it cinches in and then flares out. Here is the detail up close. It does have like a line right here that connects this part, and I love the keyhole cutout. It's adorable. Now, the material on this is not thick at all. It's a really, really good material, high quality. And look at the sleeves. They kind of flare out here, but then they come and cinch in right here. And I love these little flowered details. Now, I would style this with a solid jean, or even a black legging would look perfect with this. And I would use some sort of heeled booty or kitten booty to pair this with. I would also pair it with some gold and red jewelry, just like I'm wearing now. Me personally, I would skip out on the necklace because this shirt is like a statement piece, so I really like it the way it is. Last but certainly not least is this cute little faux wraparound shirt. It is just your basic t-shirt. It does, like I said, have a faux wrap. Right here, it stops right here on the side. I love how it like crunches up in the front. It is very, very flattering on those like me who have like an apron type belly. So I think it's really, really flattering. I love that the neckline is not too plunging. It is just a nice V-neck. Here is what the back looks like. Now, the scrunching does not continue in the back. It's only in the front, which I think, again, is really, really flattering. It is a nice length. This is a thicker shirt, so it's not something that's thin. So if you get overheated easily, this might not be for you, but it is a thicker material and it's a really, really good quality. Love the way it just sits on my body. I am actually going to wear this outfit today, and this is exactly how I'm going to wear it. Paired it with some silver and cow print earrings and just some white sneakers. So if you guys liked this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget, if you're interested in any of these pieces, go to the links below and use my discount code as well. See you in my next video. Bye!